Very special journey. Very special kid. We obviously have spent a lot of time going through and helping you over the years. Do you want to quickly discuss a little bit about your background, a little bit about your journey, how you found the test, and all of that?
Sure. When I was in year 5, I used to struggle in writing, particularly persuasive. So Steve would just message me every day and give me a random writing prompt. This was in the holidays, so I've written like 30 writing prompts with Steve's help, and I've improved a lot. So I started scholarly in year 4, and they helped me improve in everything. I used to also struggle in thinking skills, and my weak point was in strengthening or weakening questions. But I got a James Ruse offer. So my advice to everyone would be just listen to the tutors. Everything they say are tips and tricks, and they'll eventually be beneficial. Um, what they say and the material will stick to your mind if you keep on practicing and revising what you got wrong. Do all your homework and your trial tests, and they will get you to just practice the material. Just focus on your weak points and subjects where you're struggling in. And after doing this, I just found the test pretty much every question easy. Like I said, used to struggle in thinking skills. I just wasn't used to the questions and the question styles and the methods and strategies used to solve them. But after 2 terms of practice, just watching the lesson that they made, scholarly just helped me master everything there is to know. And that's how I achieve success.
Awesome. Can you quickly talk about like a little bit about like the advice that you would give to other people for specifically thinking skills? Because I know you made some pretty big strides in that and you got in the top 10%, right? Like in the end. What did you do to change it from beginning to end?
Mm, scholarly and just my parents helped me review. Um, Thinking skills is just like random question styles, and once you get used to them, you can like speed through them. It will be very easy. Just keep watching the lessons, just keep doing the homework, and it will become very easy.
Excellent. Excellent. So one thing that I want to reiterate to everybody watching, especially the young people watching, it's always the same thing. It's like scholars here and then the kids do the homework, but there's a lot of parental involvement involved. Like your parents helped you a lot and there's a lot of hours, right? So if just a rough estimation, how many hours would you typically study if you don't mind sharing on like a typical day?
Before selective, probably like 4 hours a day, but
Yeah.
sometimes more,
Okay.
sometimes less.
Okay. So it's a lot of hard work. I got in James Ruse in the end. But it's a lot of hard work. And as you can see, very diligent child, and they all are. And oftentimes it's, the more review, the more time you spend, the better you become.